Alright, today I was gonna do a video on how I feed my broodcocks and a mixture that I use for to keep their feathers real pretty and other stuff like that. So what you're gonna need is some wheat germ oil blend. You can get this at Tractor Supply, any feed store almost, and also red cell. This is for horses, but I use it for chickens. It's like a vitamin, and it's gonna keep their feathers real good during molt. They're gonna hold their feathers. They're gonna make them real shiny, especially this. All right, so what I do is I pour some in here, and then I mix it. I just mix it around where all the feed's all wet with it. And you just want to mix it. If you can let it set, it's better so the feed will absorb it, but it really don't matter. You can feed this to all your birds at least twice a week. If you that would be a good thing to feed them at least twice a week of this stuff. Especially during the molt, you really want to feed this. It's really good for their feathers. Alright, so I'm going to put some of this in here. And the chickens love this stuff. Alright, let me go ahead and start feeding. I'll show y'all how I feed my broodcocks. I feed my broodcocks all they can eat every day. Here in a few weeks, I'll show y'all how I fix my lights and stuff for my broodcocks. But that will be in a little while. Let me turn this radio off. Alright, let me start down this row. Alright, so here's my pea heads. My pea head brood pen. That's a pea head hatch. And his hens. So there's 3. So I'll feed them about 3 handfuls into a bowl. And this is good for iron. And it has iron in it. Here's my Mercedes brood pen. Get some of the hens. And there's 4 of them, so I'll go ahead and feed 4. Here's my Gilmores. He's a mean bastard. Come on, get away from me. Come on. Try and grab your bowl. These are Gilmore hatches. And this hen, she don't like to eat with them, so I feed her up here on top of there. Like that. Now he dumped it all out. Let's see if I can fix that. Anyways, I guess they're gonna have to eat it off the ground. And this hen right here, she's gonna fly over here. These are my roundheads. Bugsy roundhead. There's the rooster. Here's my Lacey roundheads. Here's my mule train grays. And feeding all they can eat, that will help your egg production by a lot, especially whenever you get your lights hooked up. I just moved these hens. These are Kelso, the old blood Johnny Jumpers. See, dark legs, chocolate. I'm just gonna have to feed them on the ground till I get their cup moved over here. I just moved them over here. Here's my Johnny Jumper, new blood Kelsos, yellow-legged. Them are his mom, or one of them's his mom. I'm bringing him back to the mom. I guess I'm gonna have to feed these on the ground too. I just put him in here today. I'm gonna go ahead and feed some stags. Here's a Kelso. These are all my baby stags. Here's a Kelso, new blood. Kelso, yellow-legged Kelso. Another one. Another yellow-legged Kelso. Another Kelso. Well, I'm running out of feed, so I guess I'm gonna have to end this video. But anyways, that's how you, at least twice a week, if you can, feed your birds that, and that will help them. But anyways, that's the end of the video.